Yes, bro. We are good in English. Hi guys! New day!
New vlog.
New travel reaction na punta karon kay as usual, guba atong motor, dili ta maka-travel. Okay, mag-reaction video ta karon kay The Lost Leblac kung kinsa man na yung mga subscriber nga naglantaw ni karon. So, kailan na mo niya, thank you sa paglantaw din sa mga wala pa nakailan niya. Si Lost Leblac dai kaysa siya ka travel vlogger o isa ka businessman. Then nag-travel siya dito sa Pilipinas, dito sa Sikihor. Then ang Sikihor kay one of the tourist spot dito sa Pilipinas. So mo to siya mag-react karon. Ug kung unsa yung mga makita nga amo ang reaction, kuan ra kaning para ra to siya sa mo or opinion lang to na mo kung unsa ang inyong makita. Then kamo ni bahala mag-comment kung naami mali na ingon or unsa ba kay para matama namin next na mo nga pag-react. So, di na ta magdugay-dugay, amo na ning sugdan. So, okay guys, diri lang naman siya sa Gorilla Pad.
So we just arrived in Sikihor. We took a really early boat across.
Sikihor.
The water is so clear here. We were out last night till like 4 in the morning at a karaoke bar. It was so much fun. Like, literally just met these people on a bus. Here we are in the middle of nowhere in a karaoke bar singing with them. It was so fun. So, last night we had about 2 hours of sleep, but we're up. There is the old church of Sikihor. The Philippines has a very Spanish influence in it, and so a lot of the older buildings like this church.
So, bitaw. Okay, gisakop man tag Pilipinas. So, syempre, masuwid yun natong pan. Na-influensyahan ta sa mga Spanish. Nga ni po siguro sa mga simbahan sa Spain, no? No.
Siguro.
Nga ni siguro. Padayan.
You can tell they're almost European looking. It's because they were colonized by the Spanish first, followed by the Japanese for a couple years, and then the Americans took over and just had a traditional.
Di ba after sa kuan guys sa Spanish, unsa gud ang nagkuan na to? Nag-colonize sa American? American tapos
na ano na pod sa iba. Basta ang first naglaban is British man daw.
British?
O
Tapos
una Spain tapos giano sa British pero
unsa tong imong gibaligya-baligya? Tong gibaligya ang Pilipinas sa ito ba? Basta padayon. May kabalo, so comment lang mo kung kinsa ang sunod sa kuan sa Spanish, Japan invasion. Basta i-comment na niyo kung unsa sunod.
puro American.
Filipino barbecue chicken.
American lagi.
They actually take the chicken and slow roast it over charcoal, and it's some of the best chicken I've ever had. It's like marinated in vinegar and soy sauce.
Adobo.
It's so good. And they have hanging.
Adobo raman to, no? Dagan gyud sa explain. It's adobo.
Okay guys,
Rice.
padayon.
Oh, padayon ta, guys.
It's actually kept in one of these little things. You rip it open, and they keep it hanging for some reason. No one's been able to explain to me why, but it tastes different than normal rice, and it's pretty good.
So diri sa mga guys, ang tawag ato kay suman? Tawag ato. Dili man suman. Katubang kanon nga ginabutang sa kuan. Sa down sa
niyog. Ang bot kay basta ang
Lai po
suman.
ang suman ba tamis ang suman? Sa biko.
Ang suman sa sa atua is
Biko. Biko lagi ang biko.
Pero sa uba sa Ilonggo ang suman kay tong nagoy mga karne to yellow.
Katong balinsana. So comment mo guys kung unsay tawag atong sa ato Bisaya, unsay tawag sa inyong lugar nga to katong ang kanon gibutan sa dahon sa kuan. Gibut oy. Kalimot na.
Today's rig. Yeah, sounds good. I am today's pilot.
Pilot.
Alright, I'll bring you guys off to work. How is it back there? Nice and tight. Oh shit. There's lots of smoke, yeah.
Hmm?
It's a really big part of the Filipino culture to have fighting roosters. So here we
Filipino
are at our
culture.
hostel and there's 2 roosters.
Napadaan sa bunga. Siya manok na pula, guys.
Naa si manok.
Manok na pula.
See you. So I was just talking to the lady and basically they have knives that they strap to the rooster's feet and they automatically fight as soon as they see another male. And they fight about once a month until they die basically. She said a good one can last a few years and fight maybe.
Di ba, naka-remember, di ba, nakatry, nagpanabong. Sa mo ban nabong.
Papa.
So, ako nakatry na po kog panabong, guys. Share lang ako kay kuan. Among 20 may mug 100 tapos itaya na mo sa hantak. Mapildi na pod. Lagi.
She said like 10 fights is like a really good
Share niya
rooster.
lang, guys.
Share lang ako.
Obviously, every now and then they'll fight and get injured, and then that's when they have to like, you know, take a month off and heal. But it's pretty brutal sport. So our car started smoking in the driver's compartment, so I quickly pulled over, and a couple of the locals are gonna take a look at it. There's Tino, red shotgun. One of the guys just pulled the front cap off like the front of the car, and it literally just shot hot water or oil everywhere.
Ano,
So I don't understand
good
what's going on, but obviously cars aren't supposed to do that.
Isad.
But on the bright side, there's a cute little kitty over there.
So guys, malasa bitaw ng mga lag mo niya maguban. Pinag tapos maka-timing mo kuan. Maka-timing og mga waytawo no.
Gani. Boy mo tabang.
Mayon nag-bike kaysa yon. Na lang, share lang namo.
Dili dali magubaan.
Di lali maguban bitaw.
Everyone here seems fairly handy, so I think we're good. Just need
Makawala
water
gana, no?
cooling. It's an easy fix. Thank you so much.
Tara.
This is one of the churches in Sikihor, which is just a random little island, and yet they have this
Suya.
massive cathedral. Goes to show the European influence that was once here. It's really grand, beautiful.
Europe. Europe na ko paano Europe? There is Spain. Europe ang Spain.
Ako balo oy. Isang balaan ko lang sa Europe nga ano.
Ang ano ato dire? Spain.
Ang mura dito ang Spain be. Sa Europe.
Europe ang Spain no? Europe ang Spain, guys.
Bobo yo.
Tapos katong kuan sila simbahan, 'di ba sa Cebu pud tong kuan katong nice kayo na yung mga painting.
Ang bot. Lao pala ka dito, guys.
Di ba naman ko na sa history? sa naman sa ginatudlo. Dayon na lang tapadayon.
Absolutely love the Philippines already. The people here are so nice. And like after being in
Oh,
Thailand,
it's
it's so
outside.
difficult to communicate with people because no one speaks English. Here, everyone speaks English since like elementary school, so they've learned it throughout their entire.
Tama na. Yes, bro. We are good in English. Since elementary, we were basta ginatudluan mo. Nara siya subtitle. You can understand that.
lives. They all speak really, really well. And how do you say that? Kambugay or Kambugahay?
Kambugahay.
Kambugahay Falls.
Wow.
So guys, ug napansin ninyo, kuan lubog. Nag-ulan siguro. Siguro nag-ulan ni siya pagkagapon before sa nila ka nag-ulan, so
Muna nga ng
lubog.
color.
Para sa kung kinsa man naglantaw nga nakaadto nag-asik-asik, basta ulan, lain kayo matuto kay lubog. Lubog man god.
Uy, naulanan mo ito sa kasi wala man lagi nalubog, be.
Basta pag ato pa lang ninyo to ni ulan before ba ni ulan tapos agadto mo to so
po.
lubog.
Sorry po.
So padayon ta kay basig asa pa ni madto ning istorya ni Ron.
Mura ra gid ko ano.
GoPro ilang gamit. Sila ko.
Ay,
Ano. Che Japon eh bisan lubog.
Dito ka mala ko dira.
Dero sa falls. Ang gana ang tubig.
Ay, nauli.
Wow.
Ay,
Non?
cute.
Nakoy ma-remember nga niyo.
Kinsa?
Ikaw eh.
Kinsa?
Ikaw eh, maligog swimming pool. Sakay-sakay, bisan.
Hindi magkukabalo maglangoy. Magkabalo lang ko. Nagalay. Ay, nga, dito nga kung tanga.
Ay, anak ka.
Wow.
Do a swan dive.
Lah,
Ako hindi.
yaya eh.
And that means it's my turn.
pero kuan guys, kani siya 2019 pa ni siya nga kuan nga murag wala pa kay na develop karon. Gwapo China ni kay diri, gwapo na kayo ni siya nga nakita na sa ibang nga YouTuber, mga travel vlogger China kayo. Kung pag humanan niyo glantawan ni guys, ang tawa ninyong 2020 ani nga Cambugahay Falls. China kayo.
Padayon.
Dayon. Go.
Look who came to join. Tino, the traveling monkey, came with us.
Ay,
And he loves
ay gila.
waterfalls.
Tama na.
Oh my gosh, there's a cave.
Gusto ko din mo ko
Cave. Kasi kulingan nila.
Whoa.
Lo.
Nagdiilan to siya, guys. Nagmamahalan to siya.
Just a reminder, guys, if you can't swim, stay out of the water.
Tama.
Yeah, I've had lots of coconut.
Yeah, we made a lot. What are you eating?
Kinamot.
Kami yan.
Yan lang.
Saman?
Ano bang Ako na remember. Kano bitang magkaon mo kuan kanang butong. Tapos tawag naman.
Tapos, sa?
Nakalimot ko kanya lang.
Rat-rat tayo siya, guys.
This is actually paradise. The water is so clear.
Ano lang namin?
Wow.
The water slightly comes up.
Chikayo.
It literally is the perfect water. It goes from like totally clear to slightly greening and all the way to the dark blue. So
Grabe, nice kaayo. Nice kaayo.
Blue kaayo.
Puhon. Pero na GoPro diri sing
Ay,
wala.
oh.
Lagay siya ikon.
I don't know about you, but I am not down to jump off of this.
Puti, kano
It's
ka
so
na.
far down there. I think it's just super deep right now, especially because the tide's out. I don't know if you could actually safely jump from the site right now, but it's not closed off, so maybe I'll just push Laura off, see how it goes.
Yan na yung mag-tupis ka. Yung lag.
Of course.
If the tide was hard.
Yeah, I would too. All my friends jumped, I would totally jump. That's so far.
Bawal. Bog. Kaya eh. Do. No. Kuyawa to eh.
Laura and I are trying to convince ourselves to jump off this high dive. We've seen a few people do it now, and like, it's fairly easy, but it's terrifyingly high.
Sasa ni siya nga sa Sikihor dapit.
Oh.
Monkey.
Ganito yung kabe.
Gago.
Wag. Now. May ara sila eyeshadow. May white ba rin?
Oy, shadow.
Wow, na all.
Ikaw, kumlo ka na nga ito.
Oo.
Sure.
Basta diri lang.
Hala. Thank you. Kuyaw.
Because the water's so salty, you literally cannot, like, if you try, the water just pushes you right back up. It's crazy.
Oh. Tumuyo to eh.
Alright, it is my time to jump off the infamous high tower.
Go.
Swimming over to the time has come here, folks.
No. 2.
3, 2, 1, jump, Laura, jump! Come on! Go, Laura, go! You go, Laura!
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, we're ready! 3, 2, 1, jump!
Sige na. Kapit ang lang mo. Wow! Ay, oo.
Namay dito. Lo.
Oo. Ingon po good sa imo.
We both successfully jumped!
My heart, like, I can feel
Ay, alam.
my hand.
Halimbawa, makatutudra ang baka.
Oo eh.
Sir,
Uy.
kani mo.
Oo eh.
Kamo kayo ninyo.
Charot.
Kain niyo.
Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko balo malangoy ba eh. Alumos ko.
Yeah, that was a really scary jump. That's gotta be at least, I don't know, 50 feet?
Bang.
Today's been such a good day. We're
Hindi lang
literally
highlight mo.
having the best time of our lives. Oh my gosh.
Mhm.
Don't. But yeah,
Best
we're
time
done
of
here for
my
the day. We're gonna
life.
go
My life.
get a few drinks, maybe finish our
Pwede.
sangria, and then, I don't know, discover more Filipino culture.
Ano, ito ba?
Mana.
Okay. Done na siya, guys.
So mo to guys, managkuhan lang tao. Grabe. Choy kayo yung choy kayo yung pagkatadar sa Pilipinas kay. So mo to guys no kay si Tel nasa Tuhan. So mo na ning human dayon kanang basta magpasalamat lang ko sa mga sa mga naglantaw atong mga reaction video na mo kang Bisayang Hilaw. Salamat sa inyo tanan ug unta. Continue support ug sa mga new subscribers na mo. Continue support us. Guys, salamat sa inyo ang paglantaw. Salamat sa inyong pagsayang-sayang sa oras sa mo. So, kaning kung lantawan ninyo tong 2020 nga Kambugay Falls karon na ganang mga YouTuber nga mga nagkuha na dito. So, basic still tell. So, ako na mag-outro guys. Salamat sa paglantaw. Stay home.
Stay safe.
God bless kay patay motor, dili pa tayo makatravel. Promise me sunod. Makatravel na mi. Makatag mga nice video, nice content. Pero sa karon nagwanta-gwanta sa ta. So dito lang guys. Peace.